Hi guys, I'm wondering if you can help, or if anyone knows. I've been doing a bit of research. I've got this HP ProLiant DL120 G6. Basically, I've got an orange light here, which is the power button. Press it, nothing happens. The health activity is good. It's got the NIC is getting activity. It's plugged in, power's running, the fan on there is running, as you can see. The health activity light is flashing away there. I've tried doing these jumpers. I've tried taking the battery out. Basically, I read online, if you've got this light flashing green at the back and you've got the amber light at the front, that you need to reset the RTC, the real-time clock. But I can't for the life of me find a jumper or anything like that. If anyone knows, that would be amazing, and if they could help me, I'd be very much appreciated. Thanks very much guys, cheers, bye bye.